Hello, my name is April Beck, and today I will be presenting the first few slides for the case study of Ultra Soup cars. My first suggestion is to analyze the strengths and weaknesses of Ultra Soup cars. Ultra Zoom's strength is its ability to produce any color car in any model in 20 hours. But its weakness is its reliance on just-in-time manufacturing. Another suggestion is information sharing with the dealers. This is very important. Sharing this information will help Ultrasu cars better plan their production. The next thing is to collaborate with your suppliers. Give your supplier the production forecast. This will help them better plan themselves for what supplies they need, and this will help them to deliver more efficiently. Another suggestion is to help in logistics. Adding things like RFID tags and using barcodes will help give your supplier real-time data. Here's a conveyor belt example. As the worker is putting on the parts on the vehicles, your supplier can see what supplies are you using and what you might need in the near future. Another suggestion is modifying the contract between you and the supplier. Things such as supplier audits, defining the intellectual property rights, having environmental ethical standards, and termination provisions. This will help hold your supplier accountable. This will also create incentives for your supplier to reduce lead times and maintain lower stock levels. Now I will give the floor over to my colleague Fitik.
Hello, my name is Hai, and I'm going to be talking about the potential information that could be shared. So here we've decided to go with two major players, the suppliers and the dealership, starting with the supplier. So the first information would be production schedule and demand forecast. This to help supplier plan their production and deliveries more efficiently. Then we're going to also look into the inventory level and lead time to allow ultra-SUV cars to anticipate potential supply chain disruptions. Then quality data and performance metric to maintain a high level of component quality, and then contract modification. So the contract will be including a clearer payment terms that incentivize this efficient supply chain operation. Also, penalties will for delayed deliveries that disrupt production schedules. Incentives for suppliers to reduce lead time and maintain lower stock levels. Now, moving on to the dealership side, here, sales forecast and demand patterns to help ultra-SUV cars better plan production. Real-time inventories levels and stock turn rate. So here this is going to actually optimize supply chain, the entire supply chain management, customer preferences and feedbacks to tailor production accordingly. And last, promote transparency and collaboration among dealership to collectively manage high demand period. Now, here we are going to be talking about the model of strategic operation and logistic. So back in the day, people were more concerned with not having enough product when needed, so they were using the push strategy. Push strategy, which stands for make all we can just in case. So unfortunately, this strategy cannot be suitable, especially when looking for an optimal amount of inventory. Therefore, for an optimal supply chain outcome, Ultra Sukar should consider the GIT strategic model. Here we have a chart that explains it better. So with the GIT model, you will be granted a balanced flow and output. Also, it eliminates defect and waste, streamlined design and processes, cellular processes and small sizes, maintain equipment, and is also multi-skill. Now, looking into some recommendation. So here, as we all know, the world we live in is constantly evolving, and so it's a supply chain. Finding the right strategic model is certainly great, but not enough. So to stay on top, Ultra Sukar can focus on continuous improvement with a frequently updated supply chain that is gonna be granting them agility, adaptability, innovation, and also employees' well-being. So thank you for your attention.